Meghan Markle has successfully had her half-sister's lawsuit dismissed. However, the judge gave her sibling, Samantha Markle, the opportunity to partially refile her claim. The Duchess of Sussex, 41, was accused by Samantha of spreading demonstrably false and malicious lies to a worldwide audience in the Royals' tell-all interview with Oprah Winfrey in 2021. A Florida judge has now thrown out the lawsuit, saying the former Suits actress was expressing an opinion about her childhood and her relationship with her half-sibling, and a statement of pure opinion was not capable of being proved false. In court papers, U.S. District Judge Charlene Honeywell wrote, "As a reasonable listener would understand it, defendant merely expresses an opinion about her childhood and her relationship with her half-siblings. Thus, the court finds that defendant's statement is not objectively verifiable or subject to empirical proof. Plaintiff cannot plausibly disprove defendant's opinion of her own childhood." Judge Honeywell yesterday wrote the court grants the motion to dismiss in favor of the Duchess of Sussex. She, however, added Samantha could replead for damages on injurious falsehood over a CBS TV interview Meghan gave. Samantha Markle, 58, brought the defamation case against her younger half-sister in March 2022, alleging the Duchess had defamed her by giving information to an unauthorized biography called Finding Freedom and by discussing their relationship with Winfrey on live TV. Samantha was suing her half-sister, who shares the same father, for damages, claiming Meghan defamed and embarrassed her by telling Oprah Winfrey she was raised as an only child. The 58-year-old also sued over comments made about her in Finding Freedom, a book Meghan and Harry advised and informed but did not write. According to Samantha, the allegations subjected her to humiliation, shame and hatred on a worldwide scale, and she is seeking more than £60,000 in damages. The judge ruled Meghan could not be held responsible for the book Finding Freedom as she did not publish it. Samantha, who shares a father with the exiled royal, claimed Meghan orchestrated the campaign to defame and destroy her and her father's reputation and credibility in order to preserve and promote the false rags to royalty narrative Meghan had fabricated about her life to the royal family and the worldwide media. Samantha's lawyer Peter Tickton told the court, "Meghan got caught in a lie about her upbringing and decided to slam her half-sister and estranged father to cover it up. Why else is she putting her sister down? Why else is she putting her father down? Why else is she denying her family who has done nothing but good to her all her life?" Tickton wrote. "She never had a problem with them at all." He said the false narrative put out by Meghan harmed his client. Meghan's lawyer, Michael Kump, responded by saying Samantha had no grounds to sue for defamation. He said the claims made by her half-sister and her lawyer were quite frankly offensive to my client and demanded the case be dismissed. Meghan previously filed a motion to stop depositions in the case from taking place, but this was initially dismissed by Judge Honeywell. In their joint interview with U.S. talk show host Oprah Winfrey in March 2021, Harry and Meghan spoke about both their families and made a series of allegations about the royal family. Samantha Markle's original complaint stated the comments made by the Sussexes during the interview had reached roughly 50 million people in 17 countries. Plaintiff, who suffers from multiple sclerosis and is confined to a wheelchair, brings this action for defamation based on demonstrably false and malicious statements made by her half-sister to a worldwide audience, including roughly 50 million people in 17 countries who watched the Oprah Winfrey interview with the defendant, Meghan Markle, and her husband, Prince Harry of England, the filing stated. Meghan, who was featured with Prince Harry on the cover of Time magazine's annual feature on the world's most influential people, published and disseminated false and malicious lies designed to destroy plaintiff's reputation and which have subjected plaintiff to humiliation, shame and hatred on a worldwide scale.